Okay, this is the task number 1 for homework 3. I clean up the build function of my home page, and I added text form fields, checkbox, drop down button, and lastly elevated button. Here's my local history, and this is my number also. I did some changes to find out how to implement especially checkbox and boolean drop down button. As you can see, I created some states for them, and here's the differences that I make change. Okay, so this is the test number 2. I already add the fields of the form, and I created a form for the second task, and I created form global key, and I also added a new text variable, and I modified text form field. I added validator to validate the value if is it null or is it less than 3 character. It validates by that, and I also added on saved function to the text form field to retrieve the value of the text field, and I changed the elevated button on pressed functions. I added first I checked is it valid or not, the form's current state, and if it is true, then I called save function of the form, and the save function calls or triggers the onSet parameter of the text form field, and I then set state text variable as value of the text field, and I'm getting the value of the checkbox and drop down button also. So yeah, then I getting the value of text variable in here, and I pass it to the text widgets. So here's how it's work. Let's try that way. As you can see, you cannot leave this empty. It needs at least 3 characters, and when I click the send, it's getting the values, and I change the value, these values, and yeah, happily it works. Here is the changes that I made for the second task. Yeah, I changed some things in here. I added onSet parameter, changed it, and I also changed it for modify actually. What do I change? Is this valid? No. Yeah, this is my local history. I hope it's understandable.